Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Homesteaders Handbook by Tim and Amber Bradshaw.
Welcome to the world of homesteading. Today, I present to you the Homesteaders Handbook. This comprehensive guide is your key to self-sufficiency and sustainability. In times of crisis or uncertainty, having essential knowledge at your fingertips is crucial. That's why every home should have this book right alongside your emergency supplies. With practical advice and valuable insights, the Homesteader's Handbook empowers individuals and families to create a more resilient future. Don't wait for the next blackout or emergency. Prepare now and thrive in any situation.
Homesteading isn't just about living off the land, it's a lifestyle that promotes self-reliance, sustainability, and harmony with nature. By embracing the principles of homesteading, individuals can cultivate a sense of security and well-being, reducing anxiety and fear. With the Homesteader's Handbook, you'll discover the joys of self-sufficiency and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can weather any storm. It's time to connect with nature and take control of your destiny.
Dive into the world of homesteading and unlock the potential for a more fulfilling life. The Homesteader's Handbook is your ticket to independence and empowerment. Say goodbye to reliance on grocery stores and hello to a life of abundance and resilience. Don't let fear hold you back. Take charge of your future with the knowledge and skills found within the pages of this indispensable guide. Start your homesteading journey today and embrace a life of freedom and fulfillment.
Experience the transformative power of homesteading with the Homesteader's Handbook.
Get your copy now and embark on a journey to self-sufficiency and sustainability.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Homesteaders Handbook by Tim and Amber Bradshaw.